Now I would like to call Arif Khan.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here. Before starting something, I would like to pay the great reverence to the intellectual panel of jury members, all my exuberant friends. This is Arif Khan in front of you. India has completed 75 years of its constitution adoption. Today I am here to express my views freely on it because my constitution gave me this right to express my words freely. This is one of the greatest achievements that those laws and rights which were made 75 years ago are still relevant today. Great philosopher Voltaire said that, I disapprove of what you say, but I will defend it to the death, your right to say. My friends, when India got freedom, doomsayers used to say that this country will not survive. It will collapse in a single year. But what happens next? You have seen, we have seen that the country not only survived for that only 1 year, but it is still standing with a great hold and great reputation at the international level. This is like that what Allama Iqbal Sahab said that कि हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदोस्तां हमारा, कि हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदोस्तां हमारा, यूनानो मिस्र और रूमा सब मिट गए जहाँ से, बाकी है मगर अब तलक नामो निशा हमारा। कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, वरना सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जहाँ हमारा। The Indian democracy is a transitional democracy. Our constitution is a living document. It is evolving itself daily just like a baby or a plant in the light of changing society and polity. US is the oldest democracy, but we are proud to be the biggest democracy. US is 250 years old as a democracy, but in just 75 years, we have achieved immense progress from just asking a supercomputer from America to making a Param supercomputer in India, from facing the sanctions to making the nuclear power, from launching the ISRO's rocket from just a coconut tree to launching a mission Chandrayaan 3. The journey was very amazing. At the last, I would like to conclude, the success of any constitution doesn't lie only in the institutions or the government, but also depends on the response of the citizens. And our constitution gave us very strong fundamental rights, but being a responsible citizen, we have to also perform our fundamental duties for making our beautiful India more beautiful. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.